हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, सबसे पहले मैं आपको मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल गुनेश्वर कलिता ट्यूटोरियल पे स्वागत करता हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, यदि आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, वीडियो पे अंत तक बने रहिएगा और वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर भी कीजिएगा। So students, today I am going to discuss English grammar, voice, active and passive part 2. Students, on the basis of different tense forms, use of verb be before the past participle form in passive voice are as follows. मतलब विभिन्न प्रकार का टेंस का मुताबिक वर्ब बी का इस्तेमाल पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म का आगे कैसे होते हैं और पैसिव वॉइस में, इनके बारे में डिस्कस किया गया है पहले। सो स्टूडेंट्स, प्रेजेंट टेंस वर्ब टू ईट, मतलब ईट वर्ब को ले लिया गया, वर्ब टू ईट। नंबर 1 सिंपल प्रेजेंट एक्टिव वॉइस आई ईट राइस। इन पैसिव वॉइस ये होगा राइस इज ईटेन बाय मी। हियर सब्जेक्ट आई becomes object me, and rice object in active voice becomes subject in passive voice rice. As it is the sentence of present tense, simple present tense, so be verb changes into is. Rice is. And third form of the verb eat, the root verb or main verb eat is eaten. So rice is eaten by me. Next students, number 2 present continuous tense. I am eating rice, active voice. So here also rice becomes subject in passive voice. So rice is written first, rice, then be verb is, and as eating, after eat ing is added, so after be ing is added. Be remains same but ing is added. मतलब be जैसे है ऐसे रहता और ing इनके पास जोड़ा जाता, क्योंकि ये कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में ing आते हैं, इसीलिए rice is being eaten. थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब eaten by me, मतलब वर्ब का 3 नंबर फॉर्म, थर्ड फॉर्म ईट वर्ब का eaten, eat at eaten by me, ये पैसिव वॉइस है। नेक्स्ट नंबर 3 प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट आई हैव ईटेन राइस, एक्टिव वॉइस। सो राइस इज हियर ऑल्सो राइस ट्रांसफॉर्म इनटू सब्जेक्ट। I have eaten rice. Rice has been eaten. In perfect tense, I के बाद have eaten, have and third form. But in passive voice, have or has, then been, and third form of the verb is added. Then preposition by and object. So I have eaten rice, active voice, passive voice, rice has been eaten by me. Next students, past tense, simple past. I ate rice, active voice. Passive voice, rice was eaten by me. So ate is the past tense, past form of eat. So be transformed into was. So rice was. If it was plural form, then in place of was we'll have to write were. But I eat rice. So rice was eaten by me. Passive voice. Next, past continuous. I was eating rice, active voice. And in passive voice, rice from object, it becomes subject. After I के बाद was, rice के बाद was. And be verb remains same. And ing is added. Rice was being. Then third form of it, eaten, E-A-T-E-N, eaten by me, passive voice. Next, past perfect tense. Third number, I had eaten rice, active voice. So rice had been eaten, as had is in perfect tense. I had eaten, had and third form. So had been and third form is added here. Rice had been eaten by me. Next, students, future tense, simple future. I shall eat rice, active voice. And passive voice, rice will be eaten by me. I के बाद I shall eat rice. I के बाद shall लिखा गया, rice के बाद will होगा, इसीलिए rice will be eaten by me, passive voice. Next, future perfect. I shall have eaten rice, active voice. Answer is rice will have been eaten by me, passive voice. So students, if we are going to teach or learn about voice, in present tense 3 forms are there. We can make them passive, and in past tense we can make 3: simple, past, past continuous, past perfect. But in future we can make only 2: simple future and future perfect into passive voice. Now students, active to passive on the basis of tense. Number 1, simple present tense और प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस ब्रॉडली डिस्कस, ये हम लोग थोड़ा विस्तार रूप से डिस्कस करना होगा. सो एक्टिव टू पैसिव वॉइस, सिंपल प्रेजेंट और प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. नंबर ए, रीटा राइट्स ए स्टोरी, एक्टिव वॉइस. तो पैसिव वॉइस में होगा ए स्टोरी इज रिटन बाय रीटा. नेक्स्ट, नंबर बी, माई टीचर लव्स मी, एक्टिव वॉइस. सो me is the object here and we write me into subject as I, and as it is the simple present tense, so be verb remains as am after I am, I के बाद am होता. So I am loved, third form of the verb love, I am loved by my teacher, passive voice. Next, number C, she decorates the house during festivals, active voice. So the answer is the house is decorated by her during festivals, passive voice. She is the subject, she becomes object here. She becomes object after preposition by her. She decorates the house during festivals. The house is decorated by her during festivals. Next, number D, does he wish you on your birthday, active voice. So in passive voice, are you wished on your birthday by him? So does he, as it is the question, it is the sentence of question. So does he give, does he wish? So are you wished? As you is given, does he wish you your birthday? You is the object here. We transfer it into subject, and as question before you we write are you wished on your birthday by him, passive voice. Next, who sings devotional songs, active voice. So answer by whom are the devotional songs sung, passive voice. Who are the devotional songs sung by, passive voice. So इधर passive voice दो प्रकार हम लोग कर सकते हैं. एक तो ऐसे है by whom are the devotional songs sung, दूसरा है who are the devotional songs sung by, passive voice. Next, number F, I like vegetables, active voice. In passive voice, vegetables are liked by me. Vegetable के बाद are होते हैं present tense में, be verb का form are, vegetables are, like का third form liked by me. Next students, Another question, rewrite the following sentences into passive voice. Number 1, he waters the plants every day. मतलब वो रोज प्लांट पे पानी डालते. So the answer is the plants are watered every day by him, passive voice. Next, number 2, a librarian issues books. मतलब एक लाइब्रेरियन बुक इशू करते. किसी को बुक देना है तो देने के लिए वो तैयारी कर लेते, इशू करते. Books are issued by a librarian, passive voice. Next, number 3, everyone likes a friendly person. A friend, so in passive voice, this is the sentence of active voice. Passive voice, a friendly person. A friendly person is the object here, but we make it subject. A friendly person, as everyone likes. Third person singular number likes, as in the simple present tense. So a friendly person is liked by everyone. As everyone is the subject here, it becomes object in passive voice. Next, Derek O'Brien conducts a quiz for the children of our school once every month. Derek O'Brien conducts a quiz for the children of our school. Derek O'Brien conducts a quiz for the children of our school once every month. So the answer is a quiz is conducted for the children of our school once every month by Derek O'Brien. So students, now number 5, does the doctor give you strong medicines? So the answer is, are you given strong medicines by the doctor? Question mark. Passive voice. Next, active voice, who plays the Casio? In passive voice, by whom is the Casio played? Next, in active voice, the chef cooks exotic dishes every day. So the answer is, in passive voice, exotic dishes are cooked by the chef every day. Next, number 8, the teacher encourages children to perform well. So the answer is, children are encouraged to perform well by the teacher. So next, question number 2, fill in the blanks with the passive form of verbs given in brackets. Number A, Hindi is this all over North India, within brackets spoken. So the answer is, Hindi is spoken all over North India. Next, number B, dengue dash by mosquitoes, within brackets spread. The answer is, dengue is spread by mosquitoes. Next, number C, the guest dash warmly by the organizer, within bracket receive. The answer is, the guests are received warmly by the organizer. So students, in the question, we are told to make the sentences into passive voice. So the guests are received warmly by the organizer. Number D, the market dash due to disturbance in the area, within bracket close. The answer is, the market is closed due to disturbance in the area. Next, students, number E, the patient dash to the ICU after the doctor's recommendation, within bracket admit. So the answer is, the patient is admitted to the ICU after the doctor's recommendation. Next, number F, the guest dash to reach the venue on time, within bracket expect. So the answer is, the guests are expected to reach the venue on time. Next, number G, all the doors dash at night, within bracket lock. The answer is, all the doors are locked at night. Next, number H, by whom dash the vegetable biryani dash question mark within bracket prepare. The answer is by whom are the vegetable biryani prepared question mark. So students, thank you. In the next class I will give other tenses one by one. Thank you.